let me end with this question again. Kapatid, can you say, are you closer to God now than you were 1 year ago? Masabi mo ba na yung relationship mo kay Lord mas personal, mas real na? Sana all, tayong lahat. Number 2, are you loving God more now? Sabi niya, love God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your strength, and with all your mind. And the final question I ask all of us today is God finally your God? Yung masasabi mo, Lord, kayo po talaga ang Panginoon ko. I hope you can answer that and say, yes, Lord, kayo po ang Panginoon ko. You are my God.